We seem to have this idea that we have to heal our emotions. Healing our emotions is a bit of a misunderstanding, because it's kind of like saying that when we eat food, we need to heal our food. We don't need to heal the food, we just need to process and digest it. Food that isn't digested gets clogged and it creates pain. Emotion or sensations or energy that doesn't get digested gets congested and creates pain. We don't just want to focus on the emotion specifically, because focusing on the emotion specifically, the only reason we would do that is because we want to get rid of it. And that's the same across the whole board. First of all, we ignore our emotions, then we get spiritual and we want to heal our emotions. They're the same thing, because the only reason we would want to heal it is if we want to get rid of it. And an emotion cannot be processed if we want to get rid of it, which means that an emotion can only be fully processed in complete surrendering to it. And you can only completely surrender to it if the emotion is no longer a problem. Because why would we not want to get rid of something that we believed was fundamentally a problem? It would be impossible, because by definition of seeing it as a problem is by definition we want to remove it. If it wasn't a problem, we wouldn't want to remove it. And if it wasn't a problem, we wouldn't think it was a problem. So we can't have one without the other. So if it's a problem, and you're not going to whatever you do, you will not be able to get rid of it if you see it as a problem, because all problems need to be solved, and you cannot solve that which cannot be solved. So you're in an infinite loop if you keep doing that. So what we're doing in this approach is simply recognizing that, for one,